Hi, I'm John from Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to take a look at the latest Silvercross Jet 3. This is the ultimate lightweight compact travel stroller. So the Jet 3, which is the latest release for 2022, has two major improvements. The folding is faster and the new ingenious buckle system. So since these are the new features, let's have a look at the folding first, okay? So we just flick this back, the button here, I'm going to flick it forward, push this, and that's it. It's folded. Look how small it is. It's so light. It's only 6.2 kilograms. And then now to open it, you just flick this. There's a little lock. The stroller has a little lock. We just unflick that. So it stands by itself. I unflick that. I'm just going to grab the side of the bar. So just here. And you just go like that. And it's open. Okay, it's so simple. The previous model, you had to kick a feature. You have to kick the little feature here, but you know what? Those features are gone. It's extra faster. So let's do that once more. So I'm just going to go like this. Watch this. Go like this. Down. Push down a bit. Oops. And then, to be honest, it virtually wants to close by itself. And then it opens up just as fast like that. It's really quick. Why is it quick? Well, you know what? It's just a good design. They removed one system that wasn't necessary because it is quite safe already with a two-step mechanism here. So I'll just do that once more, like this, and that's it. And basically the design is you can drag it around in the airport, so it's nice and easy. It does come with a bag, and also it does come with a rain cover. Now, when it comes time to go on board the cabin of the aircraft, you can take this off. And this will come off and then it will go into the bag. So it becomes very small. So virtually every airline would have to let you on, because this is just quite a small stroller. So look, if you ever find an airline that doesn't let you go on, seriously, let us all know, because we all want to find out why. You know, this actually meets the minimum requirement, meets the weight requirement. And now let's open it up, and we're going to look at the other new feature for the 2022 model, which is the buckle system. The buckle system is actually quite nice. It's a magnetic buckle system. So let's open it first. Yes. Now, okay, how do we see this? So you see this buckle. I'm going to remove this out of the way first so you can see. Basically, you can have this flicking like this. The child can climb in and out. Okay, hang on. So let's have a look. So this is the buckle system. It's magnetic, so you just push the button here. It all breaks apart. It all breaks apart. There's no joining of dots or clipping anything in. It just clicks on. And then again, this side, it just clicks on. It makes it even better. This part, the magnet just holds itself together. And then the other part, rather than clipping any further, it just, again, it's a magnet. It just holds on. It does lock in, even though it's a magnet. And then to unclip, just like that, falls apart. Nice and safe, nice and easy to use. So it shouldn't be a problem for anyone who struggles with buckles to put a baby in with this one. So we just do it like that, like that. Absolutely beautiful, nice and easy, looks gorgeous. No wonder why they call it the genius buckle system. It is very clever. It's one of the more clever ones we've seen out of all the brands. Now let's have a look at the actual seat. So this pram, this stroller, is suitable from newborn to 15 kilograms. So newborn has to lie reasonably flat, and it does actually. So we come here, you see at the back here, this strap, all I have to do is push this button, let it down, and it comes down. And the footrest lies. So you can see how this lies very flat, so it's suitable for newborn. If your child wants to sit up, just lift it up, any angle you want, all the way to upright position. And I'll just let it down. Now this footrest also comes down, so there's two buttons on the side, like that comes down. And before I do any more to this, just note there is a little flap at the back, so it allows air ventilation going through. It is nice, it's not Velcro, it's just magnet. Why not? It's really nice. On top of the canopy, there is a Peekaboo window, again held by a magnet. So look, this is nice and easy to use. The only catch with this one is, being small, you will have a smaller shopping basket. So the shopping basket is very much only accessible from the front. It is quite small, but look, this is a small travel stroller. But that's the compromise you have to go for. I mean, do you want a big one which you can't take on board some flights, or do you want a nice and small and compact, really easy to use one? And look, as this is the Australian model, the brakes are nice and simple. Brake has to be red. You push the brake, that's locked in. So that's locked. And then to unlock, it's green. And then in Australia, all Australian prams have a strap. And that's about it. So we really like this one, especially for travel. If you're going to go on a lot of flights, or it doesn't matter, even if you want to put it at the back of your car, it's actually a really good one to use. But the best part I like is just how easy this folds. So we got this, just no knife, just throw it in the car. It's so simple. So now the Silvercross Jet 3 2022 model is actually now available at Banana Baby.